So I recognise this piece of machinery because particularly it was where Prince William 1 year ago had a good look at it from a height.
Yep. So this is our seed drill. So this is what we use to plant all the crops, cover crops, everything else with. And what we've just got to do now is to measure its dimensions, because the next action for it is that we're going to put a liquid kit on it. And that means that each of these coulters has a pipe that comes down the back.
I think you better explain that it unpacks first.
Well, yes, it's obviously folded up. So if you imagine the wings down flat, that's when it's drilling. So this is in transport mode, obviously, and these sides fold down flat, and it'll drill a 6 metre swath at one go, and then the packers at the back press the seed in, and these coulters make a slot and then drop the seed in behind them. And what we're going to do is to add to that seed the ability to put liquid in the same slot with the seed. Now that liquid is going to contain a whole raft of possibilities, but in the first instance it's going to contain fungal, bacterial, Johnson 2 type extracts to assist with the seed's early development and to inoculate the soil, particularly around the seed. But we can also add to it other nutrients, so perhaps liquid gypsum to help the soil in the seed slot. And if we use nutrients just in this strip, then we're not needing to put them in the gap between the two, so that the theory is that we can actually reduce the amount of nutrients that we need and get the same result.
Are you talking about fertiliser? Can you reduce your fertiliser?
Yeah, we can reduce our fertiliser. It's just using the elemental nutrients in different ways. So calcium, phosphate, we probably won't actually put phosphate on because we're already doing that with biosolids. But in this instance, we're looking at biological nutrients, so things like endophytes, fungi, all those things that help that early process in this area to do that. And having a pump and tank and liquid system on here lets us do that. And they've got a very special pump, which is, you might recognise them from films in hospitals. They're called a peristaltic pump, where you have a pipe and you can see the thing going round in it and pressing the material around the pipe. And that means it doesn't damage the fungal rods, so the bits of mycelia that you're trying to inoculate the soil with.
So would it be fair to say that on your regen mission, you are trying to build the resilience of the seed rather than fight against everything later?
Yeah, I think that's definitely part of it. We're also looking for economic opportunities to inoculate with the soil with things that it's deficient of, either that we've damaged in the past or we want to enhance because it's naturally deficient of it.